If you take a trip outside your country and you want to use Google Play Store, but there is no way to do this, perhaps Google blocked you from accessing Play Store because you are not in your country of registration, and it's a matter of urgency that you need to change your country on Google Play Store to be able to use the Play Store application to either update or download or upload your application on Play Store, or for one reason or the other. I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. However, if you're in your country of residence where you create your Gmail or Google account, you need to make sure you use a VPN to be able to use or to change your Play Store country wherever you are. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change country in Google Play Store. So this is straightforward and it's easy to do. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have the Google Play Store installed on your Android phone. Once that is sorted out, then the rest is in this video. I'm going to show you how to change your country in Play Store in this video. So go to your app menu and search for Play Store and open it. Click on your profile icon at the top right. Click on Settings. Once you selected Settings, tap General. Now under General, select Account and Device Preferences. Once you selected Account and Device Preferences, here you're going to see your country and profile. So if you use a VPN, all you need to do is click on Country and Profile. Now once you click on Country and Profile, you'll be able to change your country, and then once you selected the country you are currently in, you just need to click on the Save button. Then this will save or change your country on the Google Play Store. However, in my case, I'm in Nigeria and I'm not using VPN for the case of this video. So if you want to change